Well, hello again. Um, Now we're going to see some of the things that we are going to use when working with the flipped classroom. Okay. First of all, we're going to see the importance of the video in the flipped classroom. Okay, you know that the video is a very important resource. Okay, in nowadays, you can see that if you pay attention, okay, we spend so much time watching videos, okay, that sometimes we should ask why not using videos to improve our learning, okay, and our teaching too, okay. If you go to a party or you meet friends, okay, you will see that most of the time you are sharing videos or you are showing videos to your friends, okay. So let's try to use videos as an important tool and resource in our classes too, right? Of course, this is in the flipped classroom ideology and in this approach, this is the main resource, but remember that this is not the only one. Okay, in the flipped classroom, we can use images, we also can use texts, articles, websites, right? But the power of the video is striking nowadays. Yes, there is a wide variety, okay, of videos. You can see that if you go to YouTube, which is the main website with millions of videos uploaded every day, every second, you have that. It's not necessary that you create your own video when trying to give this resource in a class, in a flipped lesson. You can use videos that are from other teachers, okay, in which they record themselves, okay. Sometimes you can also use presentations, you can use animations, you can use PowerPoint slides, you can use whatever you think will be useful for your students, right? Remember, it's not necessary that you create your own videos. Okay, you can use other videos and other resources and other sources, okay, to improve your teaching. And something that is very important, and this is, I think, this is the most important in the flipped classroom, is that with the video you can pause and rewind the teacher. Okay, imagine that you are in a class, in a flip, not in a flipped class, but you are attending a lesson with your teachers, secondary school or maybe university or primary school, and imagine that you are a student and sometimes you don't get something and you can pause your teacher, you can rewind in a way, if we can use that term nowadays, you can rewind what he was doing and you can listen again and watch again what he tried to explain or say. So this is very, very useful when learning something. Yes, pausing and rewinding the teacher, right? So let's see. But what we can use when we use the videos in the flipped class, right? We're going to see two broad aspects. Okay, first, screen recorders. Okay. By screen recorders, we mean that we are going to use certain tools to record our screen, right? That is to say that we are going to capture everything that the screen is showing at the moment, right? For that reason, we can use screen recorders in computers or in mobile phones, right? For example, in computers, we may find quite a lot of tools, okay, to record our screen. But we're going to focus on three, okay, but we're not going to see them in detail, just we're going to mention them. For example, the video that I'm doing now is done with Camtasia, okay. The good thing about Camtasia is that it is a screen recorder plus an editor, a video editor, so you can record what you are trying to do in the screen, and then you can edit, okay. You can add call outs, you can add subtitles, you can add audio, you can add images to that video that was recorded minutes ago. Right now I'm using this tool. The bad point about Camtasia is that you can, well, the good point is that you can use it, but only for 30 days in a trial version, and then you have to pay for it, right? So but it's a great tool, okay? So if you can invest money, this is great. Jing, right? Jing is similar to Camtasia, okay? But we don't have the opportunity to edit the videos. It's free, that is good, okay? It's free, but the disadvantage in Jing is that, for example, here I'm going to show you something on how to use Jing. You see there, you can make screenshots, okay? You can record, or you can take the part of the screen that you want. Yes, you can capture the image, or you can capture the video. It's a good tool, right? The only thing is that it allows you to record only 5 minutes, which is not bad, okay? And at the end, when you finish recording, you're going to get the flash video, which is sometimes difficult when sharing as a file, okay? Maybe sharing online or YouTube, but as a file, imagine that you have to transfer using pen drives, okay? So that's not very easy to do, okay? You have to have a specific player and so on. So it's free, okay, but it has certain limitations. And the last one is Screencast-O-Matic, okay? This is a great tool because of certain things. It has two versions, one which is free and one in which you have to pay, right? But the good thing about this is that you can record the part of the screen that you want, okay? It is free. The only thing is that you have to do it while you are connected to the internet, yes, and you have only 15 minutes each video, okay? It's okay, 15 minutes is great, but so remember that when you have to make videos, if you want to create them, don't create long videos, okay? It depends on the age and on the level of the students that the length of the videos will be. 15 minutes for secondary students, 20 for university, it's okay, yes? So that would be it. So here you can see, okay, Screencast-O-Matic, you can record the screen, you can record yourself using a webcam, or you can do it both. You have the time limit there and the size of the screen. If you want to record, and if you want to record your voice, you can do it, okay? So it's quite simple, okay? It's free, but you need internet connection to do it online. That would be for computers, okay, when you have to record your screen. Then we're going to see certain tools for mobile phones, because you can record your activity on the mobile phone. For example, with Android, you can use the recorder, which is the screen recorder, and plus a video editor. So that's good, okay? And it's free. Of course, as you know, that there are some versions that are paid, but it's free. And this is for Android. And for iOS, you have Recorded. And in a minute, I will show you what we did with Recorded, which is also quite simple, okay? And it's also free. So take a look at them. You have both options depending on the operating system of your phone, and give it a try, right? What happens when you have the videos? Sometimes you want them to be more produced in a way. Maybe you are going to add subtitles or sounds or callouts or images, yes? And we have here certain tools that are very useful, okay? For example, for computers, you have the well-known Windows Live Movie Maker, okay? This is a well-known and a popular tool, okay, which comes from, I think, that Windows 98, okay? This is very old, okay? I think that with the new operating systems, okay, they are not included in the pack of tools of the operating system, but you can still download them from the web. Yes, it's very simple. It's very clear to use. You just add videos, images, right? And then you can split, you can edit, you can crop the videos if you want, right? So it's simple and good tool, okay? The other tool that we're going to see is OpenShot, which is very similar to Windows Live Movie Maker. You can download it. It's a freeware version, okay, so it's free. Yes, you don't have to pay, and it has a number of characteristics, okay, that make this tool interesting, right? As you know, it's simple and free, okay, that attracts a lot, okay, for different operating systems. Yes, you can add images, okay, you can crop, you can add animations, you have video effects, 3D animations, you have the possibility to add captions, time effects, okay, it's different languages, so give it a try because it's very interesting to see, and it's for free, okay, you just download it on your computer. Okay, it's only removed for computers. Okay, so you have there, you can download, and it's very nice, right? What we're going to see also is, we're going to see some editors, video editors for mobile phones, right? You have for Android, you have Action Director, okay, which is from Cyberlink. Okay, this is a well-known company, so there is no danger, okay, in downloading that app. Yes, it's very interesting to use, and you can there also crop, add subtitles, the usual things that we do with video editors. Yes, and for iOS we have Splice, which is from GoPro. Yes, and you are going to see here, okay, in this video that was recorded with the screen recorder called Recorded. Yes, you're going to see how I'm trying to use Splice, and I'm using Splice to edit a video that I did. Yes, so you just make a recorded work, okay, as you can see there, and then you go to Splice, yes, which is the video editor that comes with the iOS operating system, okay. You just choose the video that you want to edit. You have there certain images. Yes, you can add images too. Okay, but for example, you have a video. For example, there you have one which is 32 seconds, just an example to show you. Okay, and if you want, you can add music at the beginning. Yes, but now I skipped that. You can give a different name. You have different formats. You have the background color, the transitions, the durations of the photos. Okay, different resources to do there. Okay, so you have there the video, and you can crop it. Yes, as there. Well, you can give different filters. Okay, like blue. Okay, which is. It is very important that if you want to give different points, okay, to your videos, remember that sometimes, as Freire said, we have to be like artists, okay, when teaching. So, okay, why not giving this? Okay, well, slow motion or fast things to do, right? You have their slow motion, for example. You can add, which is quite important when showing a video, right? And well, this is about splice. Okay, so just to finish. Okay, we're going to see some certain tips, okay, when using screen recorders and video editors. Okay, so remember that when using videos in your classroom, okay, if you want to create your video, okay, just keep it simple. Okay, you don't have to do Hollywood production, okay, with a big budget. No, okay, use a clear background, okay, avoid things around you. Yes, and because you have to ask yourself, do I need it done with perfection, or do I need it for next class? Okay, so keep it simple. Yes, you know that there are different ways to use and make a video. As I told you before, you can use videos from other teachers, you can use presentations from other teachers, you can use the recording of screens. You can record yourself if you like the camera, or you can do both like I'm doing right now. Yes, but we have a wide variety of uses. Okay, and sometimes this is very good. It's that maybe your students can help you. Okay, so let your students help you when doing videos or using videos, because that is very important. Okay, that your students become responsible also for their learning. Yes, so why not? Okay, so was just a short presentation, okay, about the use of the videos and screen recorders and video editors. So thank you very much, and you can take a look at this Prezi presentation in that website, okay, bit.ly/Aimogasta videos. Okay, go there, type that in your web browser or in your mobile phone, and you will have the presentation that I have just already done. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, I hope you have a great day working there with your colleagues, okay, and with your friends. Okay, so see you around, and maybe we can see in Catamarca or in La Rioja. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.